Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs, and hey, I paint monsters for a living, so come on board. Let's get this bad boy going. Good morning, my people. I am in a trailer, and it is 57 degrees, and we are at an undisclosed location doing a 3D maze for an undisclosed customer. So we're calling it Project X5. I know, pretty excited, huh? Yeah, it's kind of all mysterious and stuff like that. But it's day one, we got in last night, got a good night's sleep. We're staying on the premises, saved the customers some money, and it was a cozy little area, so no big deal there. And so we're gonna be conquering, we're doing post-apocalyptic nuclear clowns. I know, it's gonna be cool. So thanks for coming on board, people. Like, subscribe. We're gonna have a whole bunch of videos from this. We're doing 10 facades. We're doing all sorts of stuff in trailers, and it's gonna be a good time. And I know it's December, so I can't think about Christmas right now. I gotta get my Halloween, my evil clown thing on. So just kind of keep that in mind. Thanks for coming on board, people. Hey, we'll see you on the next video. Enjoy, and hey, watch to the end so you can see the finished product.